Hello there, folks. This quick video today is going to show you how to use array tags to create a very easy Modbus master to look at, for instance, multiple wireless I/O nodes that are out there connected to either a DXM 100 product from Banner Engineering or maybe a DX80 wireless gateway that's connected as well from Banner Engineering or other things. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to start off first over in communication. I'm going to notice here, team, I've already got my Ethernet as a default address of 192.168.1.20. Of course, I always like to use the download tab, and I like to download to my products over Ethernet, so I always go ahead and enable this. I'm going to go to protocol 1 on the left, and on protocol 1 I'm going to hit the pick button here to declare a driver here. I'm going to hit the pull down here and go on down to the word Modbus, and I'm going to select the TCP/IP master right here and click the OK button. Notice you get a drop below the PLC1. I'm actually going to be using a DXM 100 product today, so I'm going to go ahead and rename this thing DXM 100_52 because the last octet, I believe, of its address happens to be 52, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go over here to data tags on the left, and this is where it's going to get kind of cool. I want to show you something that I just learned. Shame on me for not showing this before. I'm going to click the new button right here, and I'm going to call this one gateway _IO, enter. Right here where it says the word source, internal, hit the pull down, go to the DXM 100. I'm going to choose the regular holding registers right here, there. But instead of it being an extent of just one item, I'm going to declare this thing an array type, which is going to allocate 16 registers to it. Everything that Banner does is acting as an unsigned integer, so I'll make that happen. Now watch this trick. You may have also noticed that the icon went from blue over here to like a purple. If I hit this button right here, it's going to do smart duplicate. Watch what happens to the register number. Here we go. Ready? I'm going to group. Boom. Look, it started at 17, which, if you happen to know a lot about Banner's wireless products, this is actually going to be node _1's IO at that location. And check this out, folks. If I hit it again, I'll just make it for instance, the first 7 particular nodes out there. So, not a big deal. I just made a bunch of array tags. I'm going to go over here to display pages on the left. Here's my display page. And what I want to do is I want to show this stuff on the screen. So I'm going to go over to the right side, data tags. Now notice here I've got my tags. If I grab just one of these out, well, it just grabs the first particular index of it. What I really want to do, team, is I want to grab and show all 16 words. So when you highlight this, notice this little icon right here, toggle array, opens up. Now I can see all 16 elements, 0 through 15. So if I highlight the first one, hold my magic shift button down, highlight all of them, and then do some heavy lifting. Drag this over here like this. And I'll make this guy a little bigger like this so maybe we can see the whole number. That covers the gateway. Let's go ahead and click on node 1. Expand, highlight the first one, hold the shift button down, highlight all of them, click and drag all those guys over here like this, and I want to make them the same size as this dude right here. Boom. Oops. That. I'm going to go ahead and grab, for instance, node 3, expand the tree, boom, hold the shift button down, drag all these guys out here like this, this over here a little further, same size as this guy right here. And let's try node number 3 here. Expand, click, hold the shift button down, that guy right there, drag it out here like so, right click, same size as this guy right here. So I've got there the first gateway, which is of course the DXM 100 or the gateway, node 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and download this to my HMI. Now that I've downloaded, I can go over here to my web page. Let's see what you guys will see here. Sorry about that. So you can see right here that I'm currently looking at all the nodes. You can't ask for an easier way to create a quick example to monitor different I/O out in the field. Notice this register here, 128, whether node or status. The number you're seeing right here is actually an analog input channel on those particular devices I happen to have out there. So anyway, that's just a quick way, team, to use an array tag to look at more data. If I wanted to, I got node 3 here. I'm going to go ahead and insert a new page. Right here. I'm going to change the background color of this page to white. And you know what? I'm just going to do node 4. Expand. Boom. Hold the shift button down. Drag these guys out here like this. I'm going to try same size as. Let me try this. Follow the other page. I'll click here. Oh, look at that. It did exactly what I wanted. See that? Made it same size as. I'm going to go over here, click on node 5, expand, hold the shift button down, drag it over here like this. A little further. Same size as this guy right here. Okay, I'm going to go grab node 6. Boom. I don't think I have that many nodes on the system, but we'll find out shortly. And then let's go grab node 7 here. Like so, right click, same size as. There we go. All right, now I'm going to use a button. So if I go over here to primitives, I'll click on one of these bevel buttons, and maybe I'll grab this one right here, and I'll make it a little bigger. Right click, go to properties, and I'm going to say nodes. Well, let's say GWY to node. Where do we stop here at? Node 4. Let's say node _3. And then under the action tab, I'm going to say go to page. Oops, that go to page. Right, where to go? Up here. Page 1. And then I always like to, on the more tab, give this thing a little movement. One more thing I want to fix. This is just my opinion, but with the blue background, the black coloring font does not contrast very well. So I'm going to change the font to a white color. That way I get a little better contrast. And I might change the type a little bigger like that. Click OK. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy that guy. Copy that same button. Click on page 1. Paste it here. However, on this page, I'm going to change the text to say node 4 to node _7. And then on the action tab, I just need to direct it to page 2. Click OK. All right, now let's check it out. We'll look at my web browser. It pops back up. You can see there I'm looking at nodes, the gateway, node 1, 2, and 3. Click here. And look, team, I don't have a node 6 and 7. I do have a couple here. Let me go change the address of my current node 5 to node 6. This guy here. And I'll change the other one to this number. Let's okay. So let's take a look and see. Yeah. Look at here. Node 7 showed up. I don't know what I did here. This one should show up here correctly. Let's see here. There it goes. And you can see it start to scan that one as well. Now, if I go back to the other ones, eventually these are going to drop out and give us, I believe, one of them is going to give us a number. Yep, 13569, which indicates the node is offline or is missing from the scan list. Anyway, that's just a quick way to use array tags to look at a whole bunch of registers in sequential order. Hey, folks, thanks a lot. Have a great day. We'll see you later.